now. So friends, today I'm going to show you the live price prediction of Zilliqa cryptocurrency. So before starting this video, click the subscribe button now for more this type of latest news. So friends, let's see the live price prediction of Zilliqa last hour. So here, oh my god, it's gone wrong, oh my god, that is negative 0.11 percentage gone wrong and negative change in the live Zilliqa cryptocurrencies. And the highest change in the Zilliqa cryptocurrencies as $0.181158. That is the live price prediction of Zilliqa 22 March 2021 and last hour live price prediction you are watching now. So again I am going to show you the live price prediction of Zilliqa on the graph. So at this time the Zilliqa live price prediction are falls down, as you can see now on the screen, falls down Zilliqa cryptocurrencies at this time. After this period the Zilliqa cryptocurrency is going up, as you can see, and very fastly growing up, as you can see now. Zilliqa cryptocurrency is going up, as you can see, going up, and that's they are going on the straight chain, as you can see now. At this point they are going at the straight chain you are watching now. So Zilliqa cryptocurrencies at this time is the price of the Zilliqa cryptocurrencies at this time is $0.181158 at this time. Now the Zilliqa price is 0.181158 price. So that is the live price prediction of 22 March 2020 and the last hour price prediction you are watching now. So click the subscribe button now for more this kind of live status update in the cryptocurrencies of Zilliqa. Thank you so much for watching this video.